All right, so here we are, January 3rd. Happy New Year, everybody. So hope this year is going to be as awesome as last year or more. I know we have coronavirus, which was not awesome at all, but trading-wise, it was a good year in the market. So hopefully we have another great year in the market. A lot of volatility last year gave us a lot of opportunity. So we'll see what this year holds in store. So right here, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get recording in time, but I do want to bring this trade to you. So this is Friday's trade. It closed here. I could have got in on Friday, but I didn't see this. I wasn't paying attention. But I did get in right here. And just as I was getting in, it boosted. So I got a little bit late. I mean, it's only a few dollars or a dollar or whatever. But still a little bit later than I wanted to be. But either way, we're in this trade right here. You can see up there, one position. And on the MES. So this is with the sniper strategy. Looking for a target right here. And then I put my alerts in so that it can text my phone and email me as this thing starts to do different stuff, so I can be alerted. So 75% of the way I want to know about it, so I can move my stop to break even. And if it gets down below the stop area, then I want to know about that as well. So that's the alerts, and then the starting stop is in and all that good stuff. So anyway, that's trade. We'll bring this to you when we get to conclusion. But in the meantime, pull up something for you. So here is the new 2021 trade log. So we're on the futures tab right here. So I've already entered my futures trade. I just don't have my exit in here yet. So that'll be the first trade of the year. Can't wait. Super excited. And in the trade log, you have your weekly totals. You have your monthly totals, your yearly, all that stuff, what your account's doing and whatnot. Over on the dashboard, we have our calendar. So this will be tomorrow. It's a little monkeying around with this thing. But yep, so far we don't have a trade yet. So this will, be more accurate when the trade is finished. Then we got our dashboard and all that good stuff. So there we are. So futures trade log, we're back over here. And then each one of these pages has instructions, so you can learn more about how to use the page. If you don't have a trade log for this year to be organized, plan your trades, trade your plan, risk management tools, all that good stuff, you can check this one out over at 2020daytrader.com, or actually just click the link in the description. Take you over there. Right now you can get it for $25, but I believe at the end of the month it will be going back to $45 or $50 or something. So anyway, so there you go. Click the link in the description. Get yourself a trade log. If you don't already have one, make one, buy one, do something, but make sure you're tracking your trades so that you can have a good plan going forward. All right, so here we are, moved into our profit zone, so pretty awesome. I'm going to move my stop up to break even plus a couple bucks. Break even based on the algorithm, not where I got in. Where are we? Right there. That's where I got in. So algorithm was at 748. All right, cool. So the strategy is based on the close of the candle, not on the hitting the target here. So I could take my trade right here and be good, but the strategy really is based on the close of the candle, close above this level right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hang out and wait for that to happen, and then we'll move our stop. I'm going to go to bed, but I'm going to put my alarm so I can wake back up at that time, just so I can see the close, and then move my stop, do what I got to do, get out. And then, go from there. So I'm going to move this up. Just curious. If I get to 2R, it's an automatic exit. So, because that was below. All right, let's go up here. Right click. Create an alert. Single. At or above. Create. So now it's going to text me and email me when this hits 2R. So 2R is an automatic, I get out. I don't wait for nothing. I say I get out, but like you see how it is right here, I'd put my stop just below that and give it an opportunity to keep running. And then I'll trail my stop up and then leave it there and let it sit and see if it does go to here or to come back and get me out. What does it do? If it goes to the next one, then I move my stop again and so forth. So all bonus money. But anyway, so that's where we're at. We'll be back 4 a.m. All right, everybody. So it's 4 in the morning. So I put my alarm at the wrong time. It was supposed to be for 5 in the morning. But I'm not going to get back up at 5. So I'm going to go ahead and do is just move my stop up here. And pretty much, I'll either get stopped out or I'll at least be in the sweet profit. So I could just get out of this trade and be done. But I'm going to give it an opportunity. So there we are. If it backs up $1, I get back $5 and I'm out. If it doesn't and it keeps on running and I wake up in the morning to higher candles and more money, then even better. But I'll just put it there. Rather than just hit the exit button, I always want to give it an opportunity to go. I don't mind if I give up $1 on it. So, all right, so there we go. So that's that trade, and we'll see in the morning, and we'll see what ends up happening with it. Either way, we're starting off the new year green. Awesome. It's always fun to start first trade of the new year with a green winning trade. Hopefully that means this year is going to be off to a good start. All right, everybody. See you in the morning. All right, so there we are. So this 9:30ish, a little after 9:30. And yep, so we moved our stop up, and then that right here is where we put our stop. Boosted. It would have been nice to get that on the close, huh? Man, look at all that. I left a lot of profit on the table by not getting up at the right time and putting it in at the close. But that's how it is. So, yep, moving on to the next trade. We start the new year off green.